of all, welcome to Watson's BeautyCon. And of course,
Thank
you're
you.
here representing Fresh Philippines.
Yes, this is actually my first BeautyCon event and my first event with my Fresh family. I'm so happy to be here. Thank you so much for your energy. And of course, thank you so much to my Fresh family for inviting me here.
Yes. I know you are on your 6th year endorsing Fresh Philippines.
Yes,
diba?
6 years.
Wow, time flies. Congratulations. But yeah, bago tayo magchika